I really kind of enjoy just being able to figure out that problem that you sat the whole night before thinking about and you can't get out of your head. My name is Jerry Hisch. I'm the service coordinator with the repairs and maintenance division. Most of my days just include making sure that guys have materials and stuff to get going on their jobs, making sure customers are taken care of, called back, letting know their project status or whether it's done and ready for completion. My history of reading prints and everything kind of helps out, being able to decipher details that some people might not be able to pull out of the prints and things. Getting to see some people's faces whenever you just start pulling out some measurements and then they cut a piece and see that it lays all in there, I really enjoy that. The bigger difference I feel between Nix and some of the other places that I know, any kind of random thing that comes in, we're going to try to figure out how to make it happen for somebody. The best thing for me is getting to come into work with a group of people that all want to push towards the same goal. Everybody wants to be here and to work towards something.